Okay, so let's look at this equation. We have to figure out the minimum possible value of the sum of the squares of the roots of the equation x square plus a plus 3x minus a plus 5. Okay, assuming that alpha and beta are roots of x square plus a plus 3 x minus a plus 5 equal to 0, we have to figure out minimum possible value of alpha square plus beta square, right? This is our objective. If alpha and beta are roots of this equation, then alpha plus beta is equals to minus a plus 3 and alpha into beta is minus a plus 5. This and this equation is somewhat related. If I square this, I'll get alpha square plus beta square. I'll get some more values, we'll also look at that later. But if I square this, I'll get alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. Now this is an extra term, but I know what alpha beta is. So let's put all these values in the equation. Alpha and beta are minus a plus 3 whole square equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 times minus a plus 5. Okay, now this minus square goes away. A plus 3 whole square is a square plus 9 plus 6a equal to alpha square plus beta square plus not plus, here minus sign comes out and it becomes minus 2a and minus 10. We have to figure out value of this equation. So we take everything else on the left hand side. We get alpha a square plus 8a, 2a adds here, 6a plus 2a is 8a and 10 adds to 9 becomes 19 is alpha square plus beta square. Now the question is not yet done here. We have got a quadratic equation for alpha and beta. So we have to figure out minimum of a quadratic equation in A. Right? I'll give you two methods to do this. Okay, let's look at the first method. We go by differentiation route. Now differentiation, if anyone knows, then this is the simplest route that you can take. The equation here is a square plus 8a plus 19. I have to figure out the minimum value of this. So I just differentiate this equation and equate it to 0. So d by dA of a square plus 8a plus 19, which gives me 2a plus 8. I have to equate this to 0 to get minimum. To get a at which this will be minimum. Okay, I'll get a from this. So a is minus 4. From minus 4 I put this into this. So minus 4 whole square plus 8 into minus 4 plus 19, which gives me 16 plus 19, which is 35, minus 32 gives me 3. This is the minimum value of alpha square plus beta square equal to 3. Answer is C. We are done with this. Let's look at the second method. Now second method is through factorization. Okay, a square plus 8a plus 19. Let's factorize this. Now if we factorize this into a plus something square plus something or minus something. Okay, in this form we factorize this. If I break down this this term, 2 into 4a, right? So if I say that a is my first term, then this should be my second term. Now this becomes 4. If I say 4, then this should become 16 plus something. In this case it is 3. So let's remove the negative sign and add 3 here. So this is the form of the equation. The term 1 and term 2. Term 2 will not go away in any value of a because it's a constant. But term 1 will go to 0 when a is minus 4. This term will go to 0. Hence minimum possible value of this equation is 3. Hence minimum of alpha square plus beta square is 3. So these are the two methods through which we can solve this question. I'll see you in the next one.